The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tested the Ford Mustang Mach-E using the agency's new, more forceful side impact evaluation. The EV received a good rating, the top score possible. The Mach-E showed good head protection for front and rear passengers in the side impact test. There was generally a low risk of injury according to the sensors in the dummies. The driver's torso showed a somewhat elevated risk of harm, according to the IIHS. The new side impact sends a barrier weighing 4,200 pounds going 37 miles per hour at a vehicle. A good score in the tougher test is a strong result. For 2023 model year vehicles, a good or acceptable rating in the revised side impact crash test is necessary to receive the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award. Ford recently announced pricing and changes for the 2023 Mustang Mach-E. The vehicle's cost is between $3,200 and $8,675 higher than last year. They all now receive the Co-Pilot 360 driver assist technology. The premium EAWD trim with the extended range battery gets an EPA estimated range of 290 miles, which is up 13 miles.